Another black Model 3 in. We had this in not too long ago. We did a chrome delete, we did some cool little things. It's back in today because we are doing some Novitec springs on this Model 3. So let's get started.
Other two lowering springs I've done recently, I was wearing the blue shirt. Let me use the restroom. Give me 2 minutes, I'm gonna pee. What the?
Are you in a simulation?
Can you go get me a spring, Haywood? Or did you not open it?
I haven't opened it yet.
Open it! Open it! Okay, let go. Who dat? Who dat? Oh, it's somebody wearing combat boots. How edgy. Not combat boots. Yank.
Let me make sure the nipple goes through. Nipple through.
Another lower Model 3 in the books. I believe this is our second Model 3 with the Novitec lowering springs. Might be the third. I'm losing track because we do so many. Really reduces that wheel gap that you have from factory. So it looks a lot sportier, and of course, handling is improved. Now on this Model 3, it does have spacers in the front and the rear. That's why the wheels don't sit in that much. Matter of fact, they're still pretty flush or close to being flush. So if you don't have spacers and you decide to get this lowered, it's gonna look really funky. So make sure you get new wheels or at least spacers. Just so happen to have a stock Model 3 here that's not lowered. You can just see a huge difference in the wheel gap between the red one. Dramatic difference.